Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix VSS error code 0x8004231f on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the VSS error code 0x8004231f, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open the services, click on the start menu, then type here services, then click on the services. In this, you have to find volume shadow copy. You have to select and scroll down. You can see volume shadow copy. Double click on that. Here you can see starter type. You can set it as automatic. Service stop. Just click on start. Now you can see service status is running. Then click on apply and click OK. That's it. So in this way you can fix VSS error code 0x8004231f on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.